Dealing with an upset client can at times be really overwhelming. So, let's learn these 5 powerful expressions that will help you not only just resolve your client complaints, but also make sure that he calms down and comes back. Okay, so are you ready to learn? Let's get started. The very first one, my friends. The first expression says, I completely understand why you are upset. And I want to make this right for you. And trust me, I want to make this right for you. The moment you say this, it shows that you are empathetic. You are taking complete accountability of the mistake that has been committed by you. And you are also willing to take all that it takes to make it right, which means you are taking an effort to reinforce the trust, right? So try using this, do comment, and then let me know what actually happened. Okay, the second one, the second expression says, thanks for bringing this to our attention. Your feedback help us improve. Okay, so here what you're trying to do is you're trying to acknowledge the client's efforts, okay, of pointing out certain things that has gone wrong. Okay, and you are ready to turn that complaint into an opportunity to make everything right. Okay, so you're taking it as a constructive feedback. Do try this too. Third one, let me walk you through what we'll do to resolve this right away. Okay, so here what is it that you have already taken the accountability, you have already shown him empathy. Okay, you are already working on it. Okay, and now you're telling him that don't worry, let me just walk you through what we are actually trying to do to resolve this right away. So this shows that you are taking proactive efforts. You show, it shows your leadership and action that you are taking, and it also gives a sense of control and progress. Okay, so which means your client is a little assured that, okay, though things, were done in a wrong way, but now all the efforts are being channelized in the right direction to resolve the problem, to resolve the issue. Are we clear? Okay, let's move ahead. We take this seriously, and I assure you, we are already working on a solution. Okay, so which means whatever you have raised, whatever concerns you have raised, you have brought it to our notice. We are actually taking it very seriously, and we are also working it, to make it a win-win for both of us. So this builds trust by affirming that the issue is being addressed. So your issue is something which has not fallen on deaf ears, but the action has already started, and it will be addressed and it will be resolved soon. Okay. The next one, while I can't change what happened, okay, here you can say that, okay, certain things have gone wrong, and I certainly can't change what happened, but I can ensure we fix this and prevent it in the future. Okay, so here you're taking with all the honesty, or admitting your mistake with all the honesty. You are, ready to prevent it in the future, and you're also ready to rectify it ASAP. Yes, friends? So, yes, now these are the ways. Just try these 5 expressions in which you can, convert your client complaints into compliments, perhaps into a comeback as well. Okay. And this is one of the things that we learn at English Life Skill Hub. Okay. So, wherein we are not just working on our English skills, but also at the same time making sure that all the soft skills that are needed, in all this in this business situation wherein you're handling a grieved client. Okay, what kind of expressions you're supposed to use, what are the soft skills that are needed, okay, to what extent you need to sound persuasive, okay, convincing. Yeah, so all this we are practicing with our cohorts at English Life Skill Hub. So even if you are interested and you want to try this, okay, you can join us. You can take the details from the description, and we would love to have you in our community, in our growing community, and we would love to grow with each other. Okay, so this is one of the parts that we learn in the 2E model with Shivangi. That's employable English with Shivangi. Yes, friends. So that's about it. To know more about this topic, you can get in touch with us and be a part of our community, and we shall level up together. See you soon in the next video. Hope this helps.